Hey guys, wanna know how to log in to PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So right here, when you open up your PUBG Mobile application, the first thing you should be seeing is this login page right here. So what you can do is right here, you can see various login options, that is Twitter, Facebook, and phone or email. And make sure you have registered your Facebook, Twitter, or any other account before. So once you're done with that, just simply select any one of these, or you can just select phone or email as well and type in your email and password, and that's it. Super simple and easy. For now, I'll just head towards a login with Facebook, and once that is done, if it's your first time logging in, there should be a page popping up just like this and saying continue as your user. But since I have already logged in before, it should automatically do it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.